Example 9.11. Calculate the disintegration energy when stationary uranium nucleus decays to thorium with the emission of alpha particle. The atomic masses are uranium 23292 is 232.07156 atomic unit, and thorium is 228.02874 atomic unit, and helium is 4.002603 atomic unit. Calculate the kinetic energy of thorium and alpha particle and their ratio. Okay. Now what is given in the problem is uranium nucleus disintegrates to thorium and alpha particle. That is, the uranium nucleus is undergoing alpha decay. Okay, so I can write uranium 23292 is undergoing alpha decay, okay, producing thorium 23890 plus an alpha particle. Okay, now what we have to find it out is calculate the disintegration energy. Okay, so to find out the disintegration energy, we have to find it out the mass defect. Okay, so mass defect delta M is equal to, okay, mass of the reactant minus mass of the products. So here mass of the product is thorium minus mass of alpha particle. So these are the data given. Mass of uranium is 232.037156 minus thorium is 228.02874 minus 4.002603. So if you subtract, add and subtract, you will get as 0.005812 atomic mass unit. This is your delta M. Now we have to find out the disintegration energy. Now disintegration energy Q is equal to delta M into C square. So this is 0.005812 into, this is in atomic unit, into C square. But we know 1 atomic unit into C square is equal to 931 million electron volt. So I can write here 0.005812 into 931. So that is 5.41 million electron volt. Now this is your disintegration energy. Okay. Now the first part of the question we have calculated. Now this disintegration energy appears as kinetic energy of the alpha particle and the daughter nucleus. But in any decay, we know the total linear momentum is conserved. Okay. So what is total linear momentum is conserved? That is momentum before decay is equal to that of the momentum after decay. Okay. So according to this equation, we can write what is the momentum before decay. That is, the momentum before decay is the momentum of the uranium particle. And what is the momentum after decay? That is the momentum of the thorium and helium particle. But here before decay the uranium is at rest. Before decay the uranium is at rest. Okay. So the momentum before decay is 0. Okay. So momentum before decay is 0. Only there is a momentum after decay. Now by applying law of conservation of linear momentum, the momentum before decay is 0. So 0 is equal to the momentum after decay. The momentum after decay is due to what? Thorium and helium. So it is mass of thorium into velocity of thorium plus mass of alpha particle into velocity of alpha particle. So this can be written as mass of alpha particle into velocity of alpha particle is equal to minus mass of thorium into velocity of thorium. So in magnitude we can write, magnitude means taking the modulus. So it is mass of alpha particle into velocity of alpha particle is equal to mass of thorium into velocity of thorium. Velocity of what? Thorium. So we can write mass of alpha particle by mass of thorium is equal to velocity of thorium by velocity of alpha particle. We know the mass of the thorium is greater than that of mass of alpha particle. Therefore, we can write velocity of the alpha particle, because they are inversely proportional, is greater than that of the velocity of the thorium. Okay. Now we can go for finding the ratio of the kinetic energy of alpha particle and daughter nucleus, that is the thorium. Okay. So ratio of kinetic energy of alpha particle and daughter nucleus. Which is the daughter nucleus? The daughter nucleus is the thorium. So I can write kinetic energy of alpha particle divided by kinetic energy of thorium. So that is equal to, kinetic energy is half mass of alpha particle into velocity of alpha particle the whole square divided by half into mass of thorium into velocity of thorium the whole square. Okay. Now for velocity I can substitute what? The mass. So here this and this will get cancelled. So it is mass of alpha particle by mass of thorium into, for here I can write velocity of thorium alpha particle by velocity of thorium. So it is mass of thorium by mass of alpha particle the whole square. So here what will we get it? Here this and one, this will get cancelled. Okay, I'll write inside. So it is easy to cancel. This and this will get cancelled. So you will be getting mass of thorium by mass of alpha particle. So what is the mass of thorium? That is 228.02871 divided by 4.002603. If you divide this, this is 57. You will be getting 57. Therefore, we can write kinetic energy of alpha particle is 57 times kinetic energy of thorium. Okay. Now, the total disintegration energy Q is equal to total kinetic energy of products, because we want to find out the kinetic energy of thorium. Okay. So we have found out the kinetic energy of alpha particle. Now we have to find out the kinetic energy of thorium also. Okay. So Q is equal to, okay, kinetic energy of thorium plus kinetic energy of alpha particle. Okay. We know Q value is how much? 5.41 million electron volt. That is equal to kinetic energy of thorium is not known. So kinetic energy of thorium plus kinetic energy of alpha particle is 57 times kinetic energy of thorium. Okay. So it is 5.41 million electron volt is equal to 58 times kinetic energy of thorium. So from this we can go for finding kinetic energy of thorium. Kinetic energy of thorium is equal to 5.41 by 58, okay, million electron volt. So if you divide this, you will be getting it as 0.093 million electron volt. So we have got the kinetic energy of thorium as 0.093 million electron volt. Now what is the kinetic energy of alpha particle? That is 57 times kinetic energy of thorium. So this can be calculated as 57 into 0.093 million electron volt. We will be getting it as 5.301 million electron volt. Okay, so here you can see the kinetic energy of the alpha particles is very much greater than that of what the kinetic energy of thorium. So most of the disintegration energy is taken by what? The kinetic energy. Okay, so the total kinetic energy is taken by the alpha particle, that is 98% of the total kinetic energy is taken by the alpha particle than that of the thorium nucleus.